friends. Let's read another book together. Come on, come on. Today we are going to read Pete the Cat Rides the Train by James Dean. Here we go. Pete the Cat is right on time. Pete loves to ride the train. He can't wait to see Grandma. How do you think he's feeling? I think he's so excited to see Grandma. And look, he has his red suitcase with his name on it. And a white suitcase with pink polka dots. There's the train station and Pete's ready to go. Come on, Pete. Let's go. Pete, Mom, and Bob sit side by side for the train ride. There's Mom. She's reading a book. And there's Bob. What does it look like he's doing? I think he's coloring with a red crayon. And there's Pete. And a cow back here. Moo. The conductor likes Pete. He invites Pete to ride by his side. Oh my goodness, that sounds so exciting. Pete must be so happy. There's Pete. He even got a hat, a captain's hat to wear. Thank you, Captain. What do you think is going to happen next, my friends? Wow, let's find out. Pete says hi to the engineer. The engineer drives the train. Let's see, where is he? There he is. The engineer. He's driving the train. See, it says stop. And this one is go. It says fast and slow. And Pete's being a big helper. He drives inside a tunnel. Yikes! It is dark. But Pete is not frightened. He's not afraid. He's not scared. Are you scared of the dark? Look. It looks dark inside the tunnel. There are the train tracks. Goodbye, says the engineer. Pete does not want the train ride to end. There's Pete and the engineer. Grandma is right on time. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves Grandma even more. There's Grandma and there's Pete. He's smiling. He's so happy to see Grandma. And there's his suitcase with his name on it. And the train. Goodbye, train. Goodbye. Thank you for the ride, train. And thank you for reading with me, friends. I'll see you on the next one.